G'day gang, so this is probably why I've spoke to multiple people in Perth today, both online and personally, who are all saying that it feels like we're being microwaved. Well, I can't drink enough water today. I am cooking. This is probably why. There it is, all the patterns. Keeps going. Keeps going. The entire sky full of patterns. This is why we're all cooking. Alright, it feels like humidity, but that's just what we relate it to because we're sweating while we're sitting down and we can't figure out why. So we just think humid. But I checked the humidity today, 25%. So that doesn't account for the feels like 80% humidity. As you can see, solar radiation management, the sun's completely blocked. Anyone looking for a bit of afternoon sun, walk the dog, a bit of vitamin D, forget about it. So this is why. This is why we all feel like we are being microwaved. This bunker fuel is like a magnifying glass already. Add to that all the frequencies that they're pumping into this sky. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's everywhere. Stripes, patterns. And yet I'm the only one standing here looking up at it. So this is why we all feel like we're under a magnifying glass. This is why everyone's thinking that it's extra humid today. I'm at my daughter's school, everyone's like, poor, it's humid, poor, it's humid. I look it up, I go, no, it's only 25% humidity. They're like, what? Yeah, this is why, people. This is why. Microwave frequencies that are putting all these patterns in the sky. It's ridiculous. We are under constant bunker fuel attack here every single day and no one fucking notices it. Have a look at it. It's disgusting.